A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Assalamu alaikum. If somebody wants to know what are the categories of CPDs, how to accumulate CPDs through different ways, and what are the subcategories in the categories of the CPDs, this is the video for you. Kindly watch the whole video for information. CPD program includes additional qualification, professional skills, relevant management and communication skills, and other technical skills through additional training and experience. These aspects are grouped into the following four categories. Category A belongs to formal education. What is formal education? It is acquiring knowledge through accredited engineering programs and related education in management, law, finance, economics, and architecture, etc. Such activities include face-to-face education, distance education, and others like diploma courses of a minimum 6 months duration involving specialist presenters or resource persons who are external to the workplace. Category B belongs to work-based learning. It includes on-job training that takes place because of the workplace requirement on projects like construction, operation, supervision at site, development of computer programs or software packages, etc. Category C belongs to developmental activities. Developmental activities include attendance of structured educational or developmental meetings over a period of time like conferences, workshops, seminars, and refresher courses from councils approved bodies. And category D is individual activities. Individual activities are publications of technical articles in reputed referred journals, part-time lecturing in an approved technical institution, evaluation of dissertation at postgraduate level as external examiner, and other participatory activities in the council's recognized technical associations or institutions. That was a brief introduction regarding different categories of continuing professional development. Moving forward, each category and its subcategory will be discussed separately. First, we'll be discussing the category A, that is formal education. Formal education basically means education or qualification that is recognized by the Higher Education Commission or Pakistan Engineering Council. As evident from the name, that is formal education, different academic activities have been chalked out in this category. For postgraduate diplomas of duration 6 to 9 months, 2 CPD points are awarded, and for postgraduate diplomas of 9 to 12 months, 4 CPD points are awarded. For postgraduate degree in engineering and related subjects like IT, finance, management, law, economics, etc., 4 credit points or 4 CPD credit points are awarded to the engineer for coursework only. If the coursework is along with the research work, then 6 CPDs are awarded, and for PhD degrees or postdoc degrees in engineering, 12 CPDs are awarded. It is important to remember that each category of the continuing professional development has a cap, that is, there is a limit of accumulating CPD credit points in each category of CPD. For category A, that is formal education, the limit is 4 credit points per year. Moving on towards category B, that is work-based learning. Work-based learning basically means engineering-related work including management. In work-based learning, if an engineer has completed a job for the period of over 1 year, that is a full-time job, not part-time, 2 CPD points are awarded to that engineer against a completion of job for the period of over 1 year, and the limit of this category is 2 CPD points per year. Next category is developmental activities. Developmental activity means attending programs to enhance knowledge or update skills or updating of knowledge. Developmental activities includes membership of recognized professional association or body. If the association or body is national, 1 CPD point is awarded, and if it is international, 2 CPDs are awarded. For participation in training and development programs, 2 CPD points are awarded. For participation in conference, seminar, and lectures, half CPD points are awarded. For participation in workshop, 1 CPD point is awarded, and for participation in refresher courses or short courses. Let me explain here. Most of the engineers believe that this is the only way of accumulating CPDs. also known as CPD short courses. So this is not the only way of attaining CPD credit points. It is one of the ways of accumulating CPD credit points. For 1 day of refresher course, short course or CPD short course, 1 CPD point is awarded, and the limit of this category is 2 CPD points per year. Okay, moving on towards the last category, Category D, that is individual activities. Individual activities are publication of articles in reputed journals, part-time lecturing and other participatory activities. In individual activity, if an engineer is an invited lecturer, 1.5 CPDs are awarded. It must be noted here that it excludes routine lectures at the university or the HEI or organization. For symposium panelist, half CPD points are awarded. For writing and publishing a research article in journal technical report, 1 CPD point is awarded. Writing a conference paper, half CPD point is awarded at national level, and at international level 1.5 CPD points are awarded. For authoring a book, 5 points are awarded if the book is approved by a professional body. For part-time activities such as emergency, recognized social work, 1 CPD point is awarded. For participation in statutory, technical or non-technical committees, 1 CPD point is awarded. For managing technical event at national level, 1 CPD point is awarded, and at international level, 2 CPD points are awarded. As for other categories of the CPD, this category of the CPD has also the limit, and the limit of this category is 2 CPD points per year. For example, if an engineer accumulates more than 2 CPD points in this category, it may not be counted. It doesn't mean that engineer cannot or may not participate or may not exceed the limit. He may exceed the limit if engineer considers that in any category, if a short course is there that is important for him or her, he may participate in that lecture. But if the limit is exceeding, it may not be counted towards the CPD points. With this, we'll conclude our today's informative video. I'm sure you must have liked the video and most of you must have found different avenues and different ways of accumulation of CPD points. Thanks for watching the video, and please share the video for information. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.